Hello all, welcome to my channel. In this video we will discuss what are the variables available in C#. What is a variable? A variable is a named storage location used to hold the data or a value during the execution of your program. Each variable has a specific type that determines the size. We have few key points about a variable. One is a declaration, second one is a initialization, third one is a scope and lifetime. Declaration meaning like variable must be declared with some data type. Initialization, assigning an initial value to the variable. The third one is on scope, define where the variable can be accessed in your code. The last one is an lifetime, determine how long the variable exists in the memory. Let's see some example about variables. For that I am going to create one console application to better understanding. Create a new project, console, just click on next. I am going to give as a variables console. Just click on a next. Framework.NET 8. Just click on a create. It will create a one console application. So the default hello world program is generated. Now we'll discuss about the variables. Like a first one is an integer. So the variable declaration syntax is, first we have to define as a data type and then variable name equal to initial value, like age equal to 22. We'll print this. The age is 20. We have to give variable name. This is an integer, so you can initialize the integer values. The next one is a double. This is a floating pointer numbers. So like height, we are going to define height equal to 5.7, 4.7 or 6.1, like that we are going to define. This is a floating point. So this value also will get print. Height is so instead of variable value, this will give us the int value, double value for showing an output file. The next one is an char. This is it will store the single characters. We'll define as a char, like a grade. We have to define as within the single quotes. The char value or char is grade. The next one is a string. This is a sequence of characters like a name, area, address, all those. Like a name equal to, we'll give as a Surya. We'll print this as well. The string is name. The next one is a boolean. The boolean will be true or false. Is active, like that we'll define true. This also will get print. The boolean is active. The next one is var. the var is an implicitly typed var message equal to like hello. This also will get print the var is message. So let's go and execute this. You can see all the values in the console. You can see the int value is 22, double, char, string, boolean, var. So like this the variables we can define and also in the values. The next one is constraints. A constant is a variable whose value cannot be changed after the initialization. This can be declared with the const keyword. So this is only one time declaration, we cannot change. I mean, like after a initializing a value, we cannot change the value. We'll declare as a const we can define as a max age like 100. This is an integer. I'll define as a like this. So we'll print the const age, max age will print. This is not only the integer, you can define any type of value like const string display name equal to like code insights by Surya. We can define the const string is display name. Like this we can use a const variable. This we cannot change after the initialization. So next one is an read only. The read only will define as a like how we defined for the const, same thing we will define as a read only also. Read only, instead of a data type, sorry, before the data type you have to define a read only keyword like string app version. I will define this. I'll say like a 1.0, and you can see here it is not allowing to define the read only variable. Why? Because this is an .NET 8 framework. You can see here the static void main, all those inbuilt methods we are not seeing in the default program. So the code and all, it is hidden, the .NET framework. So you will convert this .NET 8 framework into with a static void main. For that you can see here one quick action button is it. Just click on this. You can convert. You can see options are available. Convert program in program.main style. Just click on this. It will convert your program into static void main type. So this read only variable you have to define outside the method inside the class like this. The read only you have to define like this. To ensure this, when your variable is declaring, you have to assign a value. This is only at the time of declaration or at the time of hitting the constructor only you will assign the values of read only variables. We cannot assign after that. The next one is dynamic variables. This will allow you to determine the values at the runtime. When you are executing a program at the runtime, you can assign values like suppose dynamic I'll say as a dynamic variable equal to, first I'll define as an integer type of it, the dynamic value. I'll print this as well, dynamic integer is now variable. I'll print. The next one is the same variable I will assign the string, meaning like variable equal to, I'll assign a string type of it, like this, the like happy new year, like this. First I defined as a integer and I assigned to string value to it. Now I'll print the dynamic string. Here will be the variable. So the value in the variable data type, the value in the variable it will override an integer to string. So we can define like at the runtime when you are executing your program, we can define values to it in the dynamic data type. The next one is nullable variables. In the C#, it will allow to nullable data type declaration. So let's see that. In the above bundle, I have defined as a int age equal to some value, string name equal to some value, int max age, string display name, like this. So similar way, we'll define as a int minimum age equal to the value will be like 10. So how we can, this is an integer with some value we defined, so this is not a nullable value. So how we can assign a nullable value to it, like min age equal to null. So when you define as a null to min age 1, it is not allowing, it is showing some exception. So this is not a nullable data type. So to convert this integer as a nullable data type, after the data type you have to give us a question mark. So now it is allowed to assign a null value to the min age 1. So similar way you can define for any other data types as also, like string question mark and full name equal to, you can say, null. So this will allow to assign a null value to the in your variables. Like this we can use all data type declaration and the assign a values. And the next one is scope and lifetime. A variable declared within the method and access it only inside the method. Under the static method we have defined all the methods, all the variables and values. If I define another class and I can't another method, I declare another method and I can't access these variables, since because it is defined as a main method, so we can't access outside the method. These are local variables. The next one is an instance variable. Declare at the class level, and we can access the instance variable by creating an object for a class. Like suppose I'm defining as one more method, public void next method, like next m1, and I'll define. So you can see the age I defined variable here, I can't access here age. Here it shows a error. The age the age value from main. We can't access this because the scope of this age variable inside the main method. So inside the main method only the variable will be used. We can't access outside the method. So this is a local variable. The same way like a instance variable. The instance variable will declare at the class level. We can define as a instance variable int instance variable equal to like 1 2 3. So I defined as a this is an instance variable. So for the instance variable there is similar to like how we defined as a variables like that only, but we have to define outside the method and inside the class. So if you want to access this variable, you have to create a object for this class and you have to use it. Not in the same class, we can define another class. We can use this one as a instance variables. The next one is a static variable. The static variable will declare with a static keyword and shared with an across the all static classes. Like suppose I am declaring the same variable with a static keyword. Just before the variable declaration, give us static keyword, static and string and static variable equal to this test app. So like this we can define a instance variable and static variables and read-only variables under the class and outside the method. Like this we can define all type of variables and we can use it in our day-by-day programming. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.